Pikas. This young male has been awake all winter, living on the food reserves he built up last year. As the sun's warmth returns for just a few weeks, this harsh world is transformed. It's what all the Pikas here have been waiting for almost 10 months. There's no time to waste. Now they must collect as much food as quickly as they possibly can, but some of them seem in less of a hurry, clearly biding their time. The others are gathering leaves non-stop. They build haystacks, and that takes a lot of work. Each mouthful has to be carefully placed to allow the sunlight to dry it. They also add a few leaves from other plants that contain chemicals which will help preserve the hay during the winter. And then it has to be guarded against opportunistic neighbours. It's time to make a move. This pika specialises in stealing from its neighbours. Got away with it again.